So, friends, today we are here and today we are going to talk about like something amazing. Like, it is pretty much important for our daily life. Let's say we are going to talk about like machine learning. Machine learning is one of the greatest field which is booming right now. It is booming from year in 2020. It has the market value all about like 700 million or million dollars still, and now it is till 2025 it is going to 600 billion dollars. You can see the most of the biggest company like Amazon, Facebook, and Elon Musk, Tesla, they all are investing in this machine learning. Like, machine learning is all about like it is a type in which we add some specific task to a machine, and that the machine just always it, what is the advantages of machine learning is like we are the humans, we get tired, we get some sick or at a particular time, so the lack of work which we do at that particular instead of time, if the same amount of work if we teach to machine, the machine is never going to get tired, it is never going to get any stuff. Machine will always do that stuff, always do that stuff for you. No matter, you have to just program, write a number of code and just keep working. And you will have your particular amount of time. So machine learning is divided into three parts: one which is supervised learning, and the second is unsupervised learning, and the third which is reinforcement learning. And in which supervised learning is all about like when you give the information, and when you add some task what the machine has to do, and the machine learn from it and then apply it. And what is reinforcement learning is you just apply the task and you don't give any input, the machine always get the input, and machine just get and predict on that particular stuff. Like, if I am telling you that you have to find this dog, and you have to find this recognition face, I have already tell you, it has detect your face and then it will tell you it's you or rather than you. There are lots of stuff, like you can see the biometric system in which is recognize your face, and you can easily get your name, roll number, division, any stuff like what are from you can have all the background of your that person. And what is the reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a type of it is so advanced right now. Like machine just predict one thing, machine just predict one thing, and if you it just work on your feedback system. Like, if you have I'm telling you, you have to find this dog, and the machine will find and compare lots of stuff, and if he give you some wrong answer, then you give him a negative feedback, and that negative feedback will taken by a machine, and it will learn from that feedback and give you some proper answers. So it is called a reinforcement learning, because it is learning from its own result, it is learning from itself. Like, that is a supermost type of the machine learning. Like, machine learning is very vast. You can see there are tons of data are producing. Like, each and every day you are consuming lots of YouTube videos, you are consuming lots of random stuff, let's say. And have you ever think where that data goes? Have you ever think where the data used to work, how YouTube recommends you the type of videos which you like? Have you any type of idea? If you don't have, let's say, let's talk about it. Let's say every person on this planet produce 3 MB of data per second. Like, every person on this planet, and you can calculate the on the whole day the billions of data are producing, like 60 billion, like 70, like 7 million. 7 billion is our population, and divided into almost 3600 billion times of data is producing every day. And if that YouTube can take that data and sell it to the Amazon, your Facebook, your Flipkart, anything, So they use that data and they find out your what you like, what you dislike, and what you want right now, what you are searching for. If you're searching for if I am searching for the mobile, like cell phone I want to buy, like I will go and search, and on YouTube, like YouTube will consume the data and sell it to Flipkart, and Flipkart, when I go to Flipkart, Flipkart will automatically recommend me that stuff. Yeah, that stuff. Like I want to buy a phone, yeah, that will it will give. And machine learning is also helps in you to analyzing the data in your business. Like you have a business, like you are selling something, and you have to analyze the your customer and how they buy, what they buy, and how good things they buy. So you have to analyze the data and just sort out. And I'm not telling you, your machine will predict the right answer. I'm telling you, it will be give you a probability. Like it is all about statistic and that stuff. Like you can, it is also used in biopharmacy. Like you are making a lots of medical stuff, and you can have a lots of data. So once you combine that stuff, and you will get a probability of result, what it is a positive effect on the human health or negative effect on the human health. And it is also helping in the stock market to predict the value, and to adding a lot of information, like particular amount of graph, and that will give you a amazing result if you really like to. I really like that stuff, and so I was learning about it. So I think I should share with you. So that's all from my side. Thank you.